Hey friends, it's Christian. I wanted to stand in front of the camera for a minute instead of behind it and just welcome you to a quick little tour of my house for Halloween kind of video, where I'm going to piece together all of the ending footage from my decorating videos, and kind of how everything turned out, and give you a quick little home tour through all of my stuff for the Halloween season. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Again, I just wanted to quickly get in front of the camera and say thanks for watching. If you're new here, I would love it if you'd continue watching, and if you would consider looking at some more videos of mine. And if you like all things decorating, I would love it if you would subscribe, and I'd appreciate it. But otherwise, I hope that you have a lovely October, a lovely Halloween, and I would love it if you'd stick around next month as we get ready to decorate for Christmas. And I've got some wonderful decorating videos coming up. And of course, as always, a home tour and things like that for the Christmas season as well. So without further ado, I'm going to stop talking, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.